In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zapier with Typeform. This integration is a fantastic way to automate tasks and streamline workflows between these two powerful tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to have your Typeform submissions automatically trigger actions in Zapier, such as updating spreadsheets, sending emails, or creating tasks in your favorite project management tool. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Typeform's website and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the Workspaces section. This is where all your forms are organized. It's like the control center for everything you do with Typeform. So naturally, it's the best place to begin. Now take a moment to identify the specific form you wish to connect with Zapier. This could be a form you're actively using to collect data, like a customer feedback survey or a contact form for your website. Once you've identified the right form, click on it to open the form settings. On the top right corner, there's a button labeled Connect. Go ahead and click on this, which will bring you to the integrations page. Here's where you can seamlessly integrate Typeform with a variety of apps and services. In the search bar, simply type the word Zapier. It's a straightforward but crucial step, as it will pull up the Zapier integration option amongst other applications Typeform can connect with. Now, when Zapier appears in the search results, you'll see an option to connect. Click on Connect and you'll be prompted to log into your Zapier account. If you don't have a Zapier account yet, this would be the perfect time to create one. Zapier is an automation platform that connects your apps and automates workflows and makes tasks that usually require a lot of manual input much easier and quicker through its zaps. These are essentially automated workflows consisting of a trigger and an action. Once you're logged into Zapier, you're ready to start creating your first zap. Using your chosen Typeform, you can set up various actions in Zapier. For example, you might want to automatically add new respondents' emails to a mailing list or send a notification to Slack whenever there's a new submission. Zapier offers a wide range of apps to integrate with, so the possibilities are endless and can be tailored to fit your needs. And there you have it. You've now successfully connected Typeform to Zapier. Your form is ready to be used, and you can start benefiting from automation. This integration will save you time and help ensure your workflows are as efficient as possible. Thanks for joining today's tutorial. I hope you found